Our kitchen gurus researched over 50 of the best cups before selecting 5 of the market's most promising. We made all sorts of drinks, including cappuccinos, coffee, hot chocolate tea, and cocktails. While testing and comparing each competitor, our selection is made up of a medley of materials, including porcelain, double-walled glass, and ceramic cups. Our team takes the time to assess construction, ergonomics, and unique features fit for different uses, so we can provide you with appropriate recommendations. After indulging in oodles of refreshments, we offer you our expert insights. Cups are a universal kitchen staple. While these cups are ideal options for tea and coffee drinkers, what about other beverages? There are numerous options for cheap best cups, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable best cups from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Links in the description box for each products mentioned. Number 1. Epare Coffee Mug Set. We tested a few double wall glass options for this review, but the Epare Mug Set topped the charts as our testers' favorite. This set boasts simplicity and class, making it an incredible option to complete your dining drinkware needs. They're also lightweight, versatile, and incredibly well insulating. When filled with hot liquid, the outside stays cool, but your drink remains warm for longer than the other insulating cups we tested. Though the handle shape and overall design are similar to the other double-wall glass mugs, we prefer the ergonomics of the Epare. The handle shape is more rectangular, which fits various hand sizes. Because it's made from glass, it is more delicate and requires a little extra care if durability is a concern and the kids are in charge of doing the dishes. Number 2. LIFVER 18-ounce Coffee Mug. The LIFVER 18-ounce coffee mug is a solid, versatile, and well-insulated set of mugs with a reasonable price tag. This is a great option if you're moving into a new home or need to outfit a kitchen. For a reasonable price, you get 6 colorful porcelain mugs. We like the handle shape and overall size, which will happily hold a large volume of tea, soup, or coffee. The sides warm up nicely when filled, but don't become so scalding that it's impossible to pick up. The set of 6 comes in a variety of colors. The wide mouth works well for a pour-over or AeroPress coffee maker too, which is a plus. If you don't like bright colors and are looking for a more muted design, you may want to consider other options. The LIFVER mugs are big, loud, and bright, which is not everyone's cup of tea. They also have a heavier design. Number 3. JoyJolt Savor Double Wall Espresso. These lightweight, cappuccino-sized glass mugs stole our hearts. We love its small capacity and tall walls. Unlike other cappuccino cups, which tend to be shallow and low to the table, the JoyJolt Savor cup is tall and slender. We also love the handle size, which offers a nice proportional fit. The double wall glass design is very well insulated, keeping coffee warmer longer than a traditional cappuccino mug. The lightweight design only adds to the list of things we like about this mug. Cleaning is easy since it can go in the washer. Hand cleaning is simple too. Finally, if you are into latte art, these mugs work wonderfully. Their wide mouth makes it easy to pour milk foam to make a creation of your preference. The JoyJolt Savor comes in a set of 2. Unfortunately, they come at a fairly high cost, which isn't ideal for all. Number 4. DOWAN Coffee Mug. The DOWAN Coffee Mug is for folks who drink their coffee slowly and often find themselves halfway finished with their first cup before heading out the door. The DOWAN is ideal for this type of morning person because the mug looks classy in a kitchen, but has a lid and a reinforced bottom, making it a reasonable to-go option. It looks good sitting on a desk at work, but also fits in fine in a cupboard among other classy drinking vessels. The reinforced bottom is made from cork, which gives it a unique aesthetic. The combination of materials doesn't affect the insulation, but the cork bottom means it's quiet when set down on a table. We also like the feel of the oversized handle. This mug falls short when it comes to insulation. When filled with hot liquid, the DOWAN Coffee Mug gets extremely hot on the outside. Number 5. Sweese Porcelain Stackable Cappuccino. Morning coffee, afternoon tea, even an after-dinner bowl of ice cream, any of these delights are suitable for the Sweese Porcelain Stackable Cappuccino set. This is the only set that comes with its own storage rack, which adds a fun vibe to any kitchen setup and makes it feel like you and your guests are at an Italian cafe rather than just your dining room. We often used these mugs when we had friends over, since the set comes with 4 cups and 4 saucers. We even used these mugs as mini ice cream bowls. The main downside to the Sweese Cappuccino cup set is their lack of insulation. Because they are so shallow, they tend to let off heat quickly, and their contents cool down quicker than a deeper mug. We also found their storage rack to be bulky. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information, or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.